Welcome to an exciting exploration of the Roman Empire, a civilization that transformed history and left a lasting legacy. From 27 BC to AD 476, the Roman Empire was a hub of culture, politics, and groundbreaking innovation. Picture yourself strolling through lively streets packed with bustling markets, gazing up at majestic structures like the Colosseum, and soaking in the energy of public forums where ideas sparked and thrived. Every street and monument tells a tale of powerful emperors, fierce gladiators, and everyday people living their lives. In this video, we'll dive into the sights and experiences that made ancient Rome so remarkable, inviting you to journey back in time and experience the splendor of a world that continues to captivate and inspire us. Roman architecture is a testament to the empire's grandeur and engineering prowess. The Colosseum, an iconic symbol of ancient Rome, was not just an arena for gladiatorial contests, but a hub of entertainment that showcased the might of the empire. Its intricate design and capacity to hold thousands reflect the Romans' architectural ingenuity. Equally impressive are the aqueducts, which transported water across vast distances, and the extensive road network that connected the empire. Temples and public buildings, such as the Pantheon, served as centers of worship and civic life, highlighting the importance of religion and community in Roman society. Together, these structures tell the story of a civilization that valued both beauty and functionality. Everyday life in the Roman Empire was a tapestry of social roles and experiences. At the heart of Roman society was the family, structured around a patriarchal hierarchy where the father held authority. Women managed households, while children were educated to uphold family honor. Markets buzzed with activity, serving as vital centers for trade and commerce, where citizens exchanged goods and ideas. Urban life thrived on this bustling economy, fostering a sense of community. Leisure activities were equally important. Citizens flocked to public baths for relaxation and socializing, while the thrill of gladiatorial games captivated audiences, showcasing both bravery and brutality. Together, these elements painted a vivid picture of Roman daily life. The Roman Empire was a melting pot of diverse cultural influences, particularly from the Greeks, whose art and philosophy significantly shaped Roman thought. This blend is evident in sculptures, literature, and architectural styles that reflect both cultures' ideals. Mythology played a crucial role in daily life, with gods like Jupiter and Venus guiding everything from agriculture to personal affairs, as citizens sought favor through rituals and offerings. However, the rise of Christianity marked a transformative shift in Roman society. As it spread throughout the empire, it challenged traditional beliefs and practices, ultimately leading to significant social and political changes. This evolution highlights the dynamic interplay of culture and religion in ancient Rome. The military was a cornerstone of the Roman Empire, with the legions serving as elite fighting forces renowned for their discipline and organization. Each legion was a formidable unit, trained rigorously to maintain order and effectiveness in battle. Through strategic conquests and relentless campaigns, the Roman Empire expanded its borders, incorporating vast territories across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. These military successes not only showcased Rome's power, but also facilitated the spread of Roman culture and governance. However, the presence of Roman troops often had profound effects on local populations, leading to both integration and resistance as conquered peoples navigated their new realities under Roman rule. The economic structure of the Roman Empire was intricately linked to its extensive trade networks, particularly across the Mediterranean. These trade routes were vital for the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures, connecting Rome to distant lands. Key commodities like olive oil and wine were highly sought after, not only for local consumption, but also for export, fueling the empire's economy. The use of a standardized currency facilitated commerce, making transactions smoother and more efficient. Additionally, banking systems emerged to support trade, providing loans and financial services that helped merchants thrive. This robust economic framework played a crucial role in sustaining the empire's power and influence throughout its vast territories. In this exploration of the Roman Empire, we've highlighted the grandeur of its architecture, from the iconic Colosseum to the intricate aqueducts that showcased engineering brilliance. We've delved into daily life, revealing the social structures and vibrant markets that defined Roman society. Additionally, we examined the rich cultural influences and religious practices that shaped the empire's identity. The lasting impact of the Roman Empire is evident in our modern world, influencing art, governance, and infrastructure. We hope this journey has inspired you to reflect on this remarkable civilization. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share for more engaging content about history and culture.